small tags template tutorial. Let's begin. So you'll need an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock and a paper trimmer, and we're going to create these tags that are 4 1/4 by 2 1/2. So first we'll start by cutting the cardstock in half at 4 1/4. And then rotate the cardstock, and your first cut will be at 10 inches. The second cut at 7 1/2 inches. Then 5 inches. And lastly, 2 1/2 inches. And then we're going to repeat. 10 inches, 7 1/2 inches, 5 inches, and 2 1/2 inches. Now we've got 8 tags that measure 2 1/2 by 4 1/4 and 2 scraps left over. So next we're going to take 2 of the tags and we're going to trim one of the corners. And then we'll take the 2 tags and flip them so that the trimmed corners are facing one another, and then lay them on top of each other. And this will give us a guide to cut out the corners to create an even looking tag. And then we'll use one of these tags as a guide to cut the rest. Then we'll hole punch, and that's it. Now you have 8 tags you can use for ink swatches, gifts, and so much more. Thanks for watching!